Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to close Finder on Mac. Usually, you want to close Finder because, well, during use, you end up opening a ton of windows, and you just want to close them all at once instead of clicking X on every single one. So here's a pro tip. When your mouse cursor is active inside the Finder app, just hit the shortcut Option-Command-W. All those windows will close instantly. No need to manually close them one by one. Now, if that little black dot under the Finder icon on the dock really bothers you, go ahead and open Activity Monitor using Spotlight. Just type Activity and launch the app. Switch over to the Memory tab. Next, type Finder into the search box. Select the Finder app, click the stop icon in the header, and then choose Quit. And just like that, you'll see that the black dot under Finder is gone. However, I gotta advise you, unless you really have a specific reason, don't fully quit Finder. It's a core app that helps your OS run smoothly, so it's best to just let it run in the background. Turning it off might cause some unexpected glitches. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.